What's up, everybody? Here we are again, our Encore Education series, kind of diving into things that we think are pertinent in the environment today. I'm Andy Bassett, president of Ellerbrock-Norris, and today wanted to talk about a conversation we're having inside our walls all the time with clients, with prospective clients, even with our team. And it's really around, is insurance enough? Right? And so the question becomes, and the conversation we're having a lot of times is, we run into a lot of people that say, look, I have an insurance product, or I have an insurance policy, so I'm covered. You know, and the idea being, if that's the foundation around which we're going to manage risk, are we covered? Now, we all know that it's going to be a huge part of how we manage risk, though we're never going to deny that. It's a big piece of it. But is it the only way? Does insurance actually cover all the risks that exist in our businesses, our personal lives, or whatever it is? So we just are on our way out of, hopefully, the ultimate proof that that's not always going to be the case, which is COVID. We had an awful lot of businesses that experienced significant loss as a result of their income being down because they were shut down and all these different things. And that was not an insurance issue. Many people found out the hard way. But it doesn't have to be a pandemic. Hopefully none of us have to experience in our lifetimes another COVID. But there's a lot of other things. I mean, if you're a business owner and let's say an email comes into an employee and they knowingly transfer your money to a vendor that looks 100% real and it's gone, it's $100,000, boom, it's gone like that. That's defined as social engineering. Is that covered? Maybe, maybe not. Oftentimes not. You're a homeowner. We got a homeowner's insurance policy, and all of a sudden we got water seeping in through our foundation. We got a whole bunch of damage, and we just redid our basement, and you know what? We're covered, right? We have insurance. I don't know. Are you? Water seeping in through foundations oftentimes won't be. So you can see there's simple things that we know happen all the time. It don't have to be as massive as a pandemic or anything like that. So the real question is, and the theme here is insurance enough? So the deeper question, I think, that's worth everybody that's watching this to digest a little bit is, what's the plan, what's the strategy that you're going through either in your business or your personal life to identify, analyze, and certainly manage all these risks that could exist? Then take that and determine, is insurance enough? Or if it's not, where are the gaps and how do we otherwise manage for that risk if insurance isn't going to protect us? So I think the takeaway here is if you're not doing that either internally, if you're a business, or inside the four walls of your house, or you don't have an external advisor that's walking through this type of conversation with you, I would challenge you to maybe think about that. Because again, if the solution now is to say, I've got all these insurance products I pay a lot of money for, and that's going to be the answer, it may or may not be. Obviously here at Ellerbrock-Norris, we're really passionate about it. Our entire brand around Encore is built on that entire foundation and strategy. But again, the takeaway for everybody that watches this is, ask that question yourself. Is insurance enough? Is insurance how I intend to manage risks that exist in my personal life or business? I think it's a good question to ask. So at that, hopefully that's thought-provoking. Hopefully it gets you to think about things. Hopefully it allows you to reach out with your team internally, or again, external relationships you have, to dive into it, figure it out, and build those plans and strategies around the foundation that's probably already there, which is insurance. So at that, everybody have a great rest of your day, week, whenever it is you watch this, and until next time, see you guys.